Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for the imparting us art of public speaking. I am Farhan Khan, I belong to Ghosi and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver on a speech, Don't Waste the Time. As we all know very well that time one can't be regained, but we still waste our time. One this thing I would like to one share कि समय को इतना समय नहीं कि वो आपको दोबारा समय दे सके. Because time and time wait for none. The all successful people respect the time and understand the importance of time because they know we can't get back the time. If we want to manage our time, we must set our priorities, set our goals and achieve it. I wound up my speech thanking you all, grateful being hit to my words. Thank you so much and have a nice day.